Hello, yellow, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. What's up, Cake? What's up, Twitch? What's up, YouTube? Sorry, I'm late. I'm late to the stream. Technical difficulties all the time with the YouTube side of things. Technical difficulty all the time, and also I was on a course. I was also doing a course, so yeah, that took a while. This morning I made a quick trade. Today, let's see, the evening is right now. Let's see, it's 2:36 p.m. right now. So I just want to see if there's a more trades today, because I made a decent trade this morning. So I want to see if I make a couple more trades today too. At this time, like the evening time, the closing time, like perhaps the London section and such. My goal is to stream all this entire week. Because this is my week vacation, guys. So yeah. Let me know if there's some noises. I think I have my air conditioning on, so you might hear some noise. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this. So what's everybody? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing today? Eh? I'm trying to test all the other categories as well on Twitch and on the green app, aka the purple app, the green app. Thank you for the follow, MC Mac. You see on Kick. So what's up, everybody? What's up? You're live. I am live. Everybody, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up? I'm gonna show you in a couple minutes. I'm gonna show in a couple minutes my shorts. Just trying to fix some stuff here first. Do I need a haircut, man? That's done. Let me see now if I can hear, if I can hear the music and everything. I check on my phone all the time to see if I hear the music. Yeah, I hear it, but with a little static. I don't know. I don't see my microphone or something. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that though. I got no idea how to fix that though. Let's go. Oh shit. Amps, meter. Let's do. One, two, three, check. 1, 2, 3, 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 check. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, check. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello everybody, welcome to HelloOJello Studios. Welcome to HelloOJello Studios, aka HelloOJelloTrading, where I do my futures trading, the occasional forex trading, and once in a while I check the crypto markets, and that's it, man. I don't check stock that much, but I get into stock once in a while, but not the time. Also, I'm streaming on multiple platforms. I'm a multi streamer. I stream everywhere. I stream on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. Potentially, I'm gonna be streaming on other locations, but right now, I don't have that setup right now. I'm trying to grow these main channels first, so yeah, that is the plan. Also, I need a haircut, so don't judge me. Now, let's go here. Let's go here. So today, this is my Topstep X platform. I try here. I'm trying to pass my combine. Today I made $200, $285 today. I'm trying to gain 1,500, and my loss, my personal daily loss limit. This is gonna be 200. Eventually, I could change it once in a while. So yeah, so this morning, this is what I see here. Look at this other information if you want to read it. My profit loss, my gains, and stuff like that. My winning trade 56. So all this information, and here, this is what I did today. So technically, I started trading yesterday morning, like on Sunday, and today I made $200, so it went up. If we go deeper to the trades, I started last night, which was a Sunday, say 54. This was last night stream that I did. I lost 54. I came back 21, lost $45 again, made 80, make another 80, and today, this morning, right here, today, at 10:38 in the morning, I made $140. That's one up. Here you can see the dates, because I started on Sunday at 10:52 p.m. I started trading on 10:52, so that was yesterday, like literally like a couple hours ago on Sunday. This is when I started trading. And today is the 13th still, so today is the 13th. This is what I did. This is my trades for today. And here, and to see, I want to be now. This is what I got right now. Last night I was on drawdown. I was on red. I was getting frustrated. If you want to see that stream, you can watch yesterday's stream. I think it's on my YouTube. You can go to my YouTube channel, my HelloOJelloTrading channel, or my personal HelloOJelloStudio channel, because I stream on both channels. So yeah. So yesterday I was losing money, and today I gained it this morning at like a time. Now I just trying to see if I make more money today. This is what made me money this morning. This actually platinum. This entry point right here and this exit point right here is what make me money today. If you can see it right there. So that's what I've been checking. I've been checking platinum all day to see if I entry point. But it seems that it's just been like that. But it seems it's just been there lately. So it's but anyways, I got the entire week though. I got the entire week. My goal is to try to pass these combines, bro. This combine, because I need a live account already. I need a live account so I could get payouts. I need a live account so I could get payouts, and from those payouts, I want to build my personal trading account away from the account. But who knows? Once in a while, we're gonna be continue trading from the accounts. But right now, I just gonna pass these combine, and that's my main focus right now. Cause I've been feeling these combines are like 2, 3, like 4 times, 5 times already, and it's been months. It's been months, bro. And it's pissing me off. It's been months. Yeah, that is the plan. So what do I use? What strategy do I use? Let me switch. Okay, let me switch. So what strategy do I use? I use trend lines. I use the trend line strategy, where chart align, where I draw lines, so my chart trend lines line, my chart, and I use the safety line and action line. And this strategy is Tories trades trend line strategy. So if you don't know who it is, let me go find. Let's see. If you don't know who I'm trading, I trade Tories. I trade Tories. I trade Tories trend line strategy. I use her strategy. Which is trend lines. And I sometimes use the fair value gas or ICT. Or sometimes I use technically the only one I use is the fair value gap. That's it from this. And the problem is I don't focus much on this education with him because he has so many videos, so many strategies, and the system is like hours and hours and hours and hours, bro. Hours and hours of videos, long videos, and it's kind of like too much for me. It's like too much for me. So that's why I don't use his strategy that much. So the only strategy I use is the fair value gaps. You can see it here. The fair value gaps or value inside, yes, technically it's the same thing. So yeah. So I mix both of them together. I mix his strategy a little bit, and I use the trendline strategy for simplicity. This is my trading channel here. Right now I don't got a lot of videos. I started this channel a while back, but I have procrastination issues. I started on 2021 this channel, but I haven't uploaded nothing on this channel because procrastinating issues and work and life. That's why. Also, but you can follow it. Go ahead, follow it. Also, you can check my other channels. We're here. This is my main channel, which is going to be my company channel, HelloOJello Studios. You can check it out too, right here. This is going to be like type of my blog. Before it was like blog style videos, but I completely rebranded since I registered my business. So I completely rebranded. So now this channel is going to be more like documenting my journey with trying to build an online business and stuff. All this that I do. So yeah. Then what else? I got a gaming channel. I don't use it that much. I'm trying to play games. And then I also have another channel. Let me switch. I have let's see now, and then I have the HelloOJelloverse. This is my other channel, which is the main focus of the channel is to right now. The focus of this channel is to do crypto stuff. Do crypto stuff. So that's the point. To do learn and talk about crypto. Because I'm still learning about crypto, so probably I would like to have a channel for that, like how to use wallets, and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's what I do, guys. That's what I do. But right now, I prefer you guys follow this channel. and the HelloOJelloTrading channel. Before you guys follow the HelloOJelloTrading, because I'm gonna be using this channel a lot because it's for my trading, which I'm doing right now, like documenting my trading. So yeah, which is gonna be a lot of live streamings. So yeah, the markets right now is 225. So we are right now on the still on the New York market. We're still in the New York market. The market closes at 4, which is the stock market closes at 4:30. So yeah. So I trade, technically I trade like the London or Sydney section, like this section, like from 4 p.m. and up. Cause I trade futures. So yeah. So that's what I do. Let's see gold. Let's see what's gold doing right now. Let me delete a couple of these things over here. It's like too much horizontal lines right here. Okay. I don't think this is really balance. This is no longer valid. So let's see. So this is the recent point right here. Point A, point 2, point B. On the 30 minutes. That looks bad. Yeah, that is too steep. That is too steep. Yeah. Everything's just flat today, bro. Probably because the market's about to close soon, so. So this is gonna be the 1 hour. This is gonna be the 1 hour. This is the 50 minute. This is the 50 minute. This is the 5 minute. And this is the 1 minute. Let's go big here. I gotta create more lines right here. The 1 minute. Okay. I'm gonna put up here. It's good.
Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look.
Alarms. I'm gonna put a line. I'm gonna put like a crossing here. So I'm trying to put. So I'm trying to put like. What the fuck is this? What is this about? So I put alerts so it can confirm me when it's crossing my lines. So it can confirm me when it's crossing my lines. So that's what I do. So I put an alarm there. Let's put another alarm probably here. That is gonna be crossing my. Probably there could be a nice entry point right there too. Who knows? So that's what's happening on the micro goal. That's what's happening on the micro goal. Let's see it back to platinum. Let me delete this. Okay. Okay. Who knows, man? I don't know. So technically, this is the only like instruments that I trade, which is gold sometimes, but have my love and hate relationship with gold, cause gold always screws me up, bro.
Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look.
Didn't I change the fucking sounds for that?
Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look.
So Go is moving. Go is moving because it's touching my alerts. And here and Platinum is just going down. So I'm not sure if I want to do shorts today. I don't know if I want to do shorts or want to do or I want to wait for that long. So I'm not sure. Because right now I see that Platinum is just going down. Let's see coach. Let's see the coach. What's the coaches are doing. The coaches on Topstep. So on YouTube. Let's get. Sometimes I like to watch the coaches on Topstep TV. Like these guys over here.
Let's hi to everybody. Let's see, we got 875 with 39. 837. Yeah. We got some good ones. 900.
So they're trading
Delta
MQ.
is green though, so
Yep.
that's the only thing.
Or
All
you're
right,
stealing
uh,
Dre's line. Mention
what?
I
Delta.
do see.
Like it.
I do see 80 at 25,000, but it might be just like some other day.
Someone kick that can tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
25K is a tomorrow problem.
So they're trading MQ. I don't watch MQ that much, guys, but let's check it out. Oh, is this one right here? So let's open another chart. Let's go for NQ, micro NQ. I don't check this chart that much, but for the sake of this live stream, let's do some back testing and analysis. I'm gonna delete all these lines right here. Let me delete all of them. Nice. Let's go back to the monthly. What's up? My bad, guys. That was my mom. That was my mom. Let's do a step on that. So the way I do it. So the way I do it, I go from the monthly time frame working forward. Bam, bam, bam. So what I do a stop down analysis is where I use trend lines. Okay, it's hitting this thing again. So I organize all the trend lines and such from time frame to time frame and create point A's to point B's. Okay, but right now I can create down the trend line right here, probably. Yeah. Okay. It's building a fair value gap right here on the 1 hour. So what I do here, a fair value gap, aka imbalance area. To me, technique is the same bullshit, so I don't pay attention to the nonsense like that. To me, it's the same bullshit. So yeah, right there. This thing that you see here, this is guiding me how's the candle happening on the daily. So this is how it looks on the daily. Right now, it's about to hit. It's not yet hit. How the daily looks. You see these little small data lines. That's where the daily supposedly is. If you go back to the daily, see, right now it's right there. So that's like a little indicator that tells me that. So the daily right here. I don't know. Like, I have it there. I don't use it that much, but I have it there like for like future purposes. Okay. Let's put it here. Green. Reset. Let's go back to the lower time frames. Let's adjust this again. So this is the MQ, micro MQ. I like to trade the micros because they're not that expensive for me, especially when I want to pass these combines. So that is only 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's zoom in. He's building another wick here. So you see that the wick is down here, and then you see that it's passing through here. So that's going to be point B. So we arrange it to point B. So technically this is what it is. Down here is point A, and up here is point B. Because remember, we're trading the trend lines. We are trend line traders. I am a trend line trader. Okay, that's it. So the MQ looks normal. The micro looks this normal. So yeah. So you see this time candle is like indicator that tells me where the daily is, the daily candle is. So it's right here. And the top higher, and the higher high is right here. The higher high, see? The higher high is right there. The higher candle, higher high is right there. That's the reason I use the indicator. And if you guys want to know which indicators are those, they're right here. The PO3, you see it's right here, right there in the corner. If you guys can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but it's called the HDF power of 3. And then if you want to see the imbalance area indicators, I use this one, imbalance finder dynamic, and I also use the FFG / AFGB for the imbalance indicators. Then sometimes I use this with the 3L, the 3LC. It draws me like entry points, but I don't use it that much. It draws me entry points with these little fruits. It's kind of hilarious, but sometimes they're not that accurate. But I don't use it that much, but just in case you guys want to know, it's called the L3LG TFC, the 3-line strike. So 3-line strike, like you get like from here, for example here, like from here and here. If I'm not mistaken, that's a 3-line strike. Like, well, I don't pay attention to that though. I have it just because, just to confirm where locations, to confirm where location I can enter. How can I remove this? I have no idea. Okay, okay. like location where to enter, but I don't use that one that much. Then I use the watermark, the FT watermark, which is this thing down here. See, it turns it up. It shows me the day, and my macros is down here in the bottom. So I use it just to have it like here. So that's that right there. Cause I like to see, I like to watch, I like to see this over the time, cause to focus on my rules, what I have to do, which is I'm a trainer trader. I need to have patience, which sometimes I don't have patience. I need to be disciplined of what I'm doing, and I need to risk my manage, and I do risk management with this. I need to protect my capital. That's why I have that shit here. So yeah. So then I go back. I like to have it like this, so I could a full share screen, so I could see what is happening on all the time frames that I watch. What is this movie? So I could see what is happening on the time frames that I watch. So this is what I do here. It's different thing. So yeah. So that's what I do here. And then I also save it, and then I confirm my entry points on the 1 hour chart, which is this one down here. Which is down here.
Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look. Hey, take a look.
So yeah, this is what I do all day, guys. So on the top I have my charts, all my charts right here. This is platinum, this is micro gold, this is MQ, the NQ, the micro MQ, which I don't trade it that much. I don't trade it whatsoever, but I'm just shaking it just to see, and who knows, probably I enter trade. But I prefer to trade the platinum, which is I gain more the platinum because I gain more money, or I risk more money. And what I see is a good entry point right here on my top X. I see a good entry point here on my top X right here. You can see it right here. It's building something here. So at first it was going completely down on the 5-minute chart. It was going to be completely down. Who knows? He might do this. He might do this today. Who knows? And continue going up and up and up. Why? Cause I needed to follow the trend. Cause I'm a oh shit no fuck. Cause I'm a trade line trader. I'm a trend line trader, guys. Before it was going completely down, but I'm afraid of going shorts on this type of trade. So yeah, I'm still not comfortable trading shorts. But it seems that it's going to continue going down, man. Well, no, probably enter a small trade right now, going short. Because right here. What the fuck happened? What is that? What is going on? What happened? Switch monitor. Okay. That took forever. That was. What is that? What is happening? something. Gotta check something like what's going on with here. Switch. It's like my stream deck is like dying, like acting weird. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix my menu switch profile. Okay. Oh, it's weird. Hello. My bad, guys. My bad. So what's up, guys? What's up? Kind of feel sleepy. I don't know.
All right, there's two. Back 'em, Trey.
Oh, guy.
Got them all. There it is.
He's close. Wow. All right, let's do this. Let's keep pushing this thing higher here. 4,943 last trade. Orders long from 930 and the orders.
Yeah.
Let's
go.
Nothing on the tilt right now. Yeah, this week. Look at this. That calendar, man. Holy moly.
That was great. Well, actually, I want to talk about it. There's a couple interesting things there. Can you pull up your calendar again, George?
Yeah.
If this market gets insane, we can go back to this trade. But
I got you.
This is pretty interesting stuff here. If you scroll down back all the way down to the bottom, so something I noticed is that if you go back up again, just like the calendar is fine, is that a lot of those days were under like 1-2 trades a day. 1 trade there, 2 trades, 3 trades, 6 trades. That's it. Other thing too is that in some of your previous months, you're not trading every single day. Is that because of life events or because there's something you're not seeing in the market for your setup?
I don't really copy trade. So sometimes I'll trade my other accounts, my other XFAs. But there's some days where like I don't really like to risk. Like let's say FOMC minutes is on, I don't really want to trade discount on it. Stuff like that. Choppy days.
Yeah. I mean, even this account, it's all, 9 trades, 1 trade, 6, 12, 3, 9. I mean, this is all kind of small ball here. This is accurate trading. This is incredible. I love showing the stuff to chat, man, because this is
100%.
Oh, there it is. There's your 20. One trade, 20K. That's wild.
What'd you catch? You catch a big one there? I mean, what was that? What day was that? Is that?
Yeah, I did catch a big one in here.
I
Yeah.
bet you did. Well done.
That's
Great
well
discipline.
One trade.
Great approach.
All
I
right.
want to know your strategy
That's
now,
crazy. How they do that?
George. So we'll let this trade play
fucking
out
trade,
right now. We're just
20
taking on the
fucking-
offer.
I mean,
We had
chat.
That is insane.
Even if you knew George's strategy, do you honestly think it'd take one or two trades a day and then even take entire days off? No. I mean, a lot of us want to be trading every single day. George is only trading 2 or 3 days a week. But he's making money.
Absolutely. Locking in profits, the name of the game, especially on a Monday. Interesting day today. I want to get too deep in the red. So the next 4 days of the trading week is just trying to figure yourself out. Again, we got 3 minutes till the bottom of the hour. Gold continuing to push higher here. 41.25 last trade. Yes, might be rolling over a little bit. NASDAQ, 4,000.
Making a move platinum right here. I don't know if I would like to enter. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it yet. I'm not sure about it. I need more confirmation. I need more confirmation on the 1 hour chart. Because remember, the way I trade, I need to be confirmed on the 1 hour chart of where the market is going, or of each candle, or where each candle is going, and then I execute my entry points on the 5-minute chart. Or I feel like platinum is just gonna crash. Yeah, perhaps I can enter a short too, but for some reason I don't know, something about shorts, like I still not confident and used to trading shorts. Because I trade on breakouts. I prefer breakouts than bounce. Breakout for me is like breakouts like breaks my trend line. Like breaks the trend line up, going up. My trend line going up, and that's where I perhaps enter. But the platinum market is kind of slow, so but I prefer it like that because I do other stuff while I see what is going on. See gold is popping up. Who knows, man? Gold is popping up. Gold is popping out though, so that's a good sign. But the problem last night, gold just screwed a little more out of me. That's why I don't want to trade it. Gold screwed a little more out of me, and that's why I don't want to trade it. I'm sorry guys, but I don't want to trade it. Whoever's watching this, or if you watch the recording, I know I'm much of a fan of gold. I trade it sometimes when it goes my way, but gold is a pain in the fucking ass. Gold is a pain in my behind, and that's why I don't trade gold like that much. See, that's a steep line, so I'm gonna leave it like that. But when a line is like too steep like that, it's not good. It has to make it has to be like that. Instead of being too close, it has to be probably like this. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like that. So that's go for you guys right there. What planning is doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Platinum, what are you doing? Are you going back up? Are you staying low? What do you want to do? You gotta tell me what you want to do so I can follow you. What are you planning to do? So what's up, guys? See what Go is doing. I just got another alert from Go. Let's see. Gold is a mess today, bro. Gold is a fucking mess. So gold is a fucking mess. Even though it's fucking going up, though. Look at all this trade that I make on Go, bro. Look at all these fucking trades that I make on Go. That's fucking crazy, bro. Look at these fucking trades I had done on Go. A couple of them they were winners. A couple of them were losers. Look at all these 10 trades, bro. I continue coming back to Go, bro. Go all it's been just screwing me up, man, with all the trades. Go is just been kicking my ass lately, though. Yeah, it's making me a little money, but since I don't trade it that often, I don't understand. I still don't understand their movement. That was on October 7, all these trade on the same freaking candle, and this P was on the October 25 right here. And this I think was today right here, October 12. That was last night. Last night was fucking killing me. That's why like ghosts scare the crap out of me, bro, all the time. Cause I don't know what to do with it. Like it's going up, people is playing, it's going up, volume is there, but it's like the volume is there, but come on, pero la vaina está dura con gol. Con oro la vaina está dura. Okay. Yeah, Topstep like it's so buggy, man. I like Topstep, but it's like so buggy. Like the platform is so buggy. Especially when I'm using the trend lines, it's like so buggy for some reason. Sorry, man, but it's so buggy. Whoever is watching from Topstep, your app is buggy. Like why my trend lines are fucked up like this? Like why? Your app is buggy. Fix it. I cannot put the right trend lines, bro. Like come on, bro. Why your freaking thing is fucking weak? What the fuck is going on? Your app is buggy as fuck. Can you give me some tutorials like why it's happening, like how to fix it? Cause every time I do it, every time I do my trend lines, it's fucking they all fucked up. Topstep, if you're listening, send me an email. Look at this. Like what the fuck is doing this? Like what the fuck? What the fuck? My lines is doing this. Like why? Topstep. Like what the fuck is this about? Look at this, man. Look at this mess, bro. Like, why always does this to my candles, to my trends, bro? Why always does this mess to my lines, bro? Like, why? Why? Like, what is going on? Look at this. What is happening? Look at this. You saw that, right? Like, why? Why are you doing that? It doesn't make any fucking sense. Like, what the fuck? So annoying, bro. Like, why you do that? Like, what the fuck is going on? What are you doing that? See, it gets fixed, but then it goes back to the normal section. Like, why are you doing that? It gets fixed. Like, it's not singing. It's not sinking in. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Switch. This is why I use TradingView. This is why I use TradingView. TradingView is not buggy at all. TradingView is not buggy whatsoever. I use TradingView to view my analysis. Why? Because TradingView is not buggy whatsoever.
time around. We did get up to 67.11 2.5 hours ago. NASDAQ just saw some sellers step in there. They did walk it all the way up to 24,943. Smash it down. Took it lower about 15 points. I know, man.
Smash it a whopping 9 points, Trey.
I'm looking for something.
I know, it's all going on. All right, we can do it. So, George, if we were up at, like, say, 980s, maybe even 25Ks, would you be looking for shorts at all? Would, like, your range trader cap go on? And maybe see some value in shorts up there?
Let me see here. Maybe, yeah. Let me see, potentially. Let me see. Yeah, actually.
I mean, 30-minute is just locked up right now. What's the hour like? Even the hour, 1 hour chart is pretty locked up too. Got 4 1 hour sticks. What's that range? That is
25,000.
He's up.
Looks pretty good.
You got to. Oh, there we are. Back. Push.
I need to like follow your voice into the darkness, Trey. Where are you there?
Like the string is scratching.
Yeah, I just there's.
Oh, there we go.
Solar.
Okay, dude, so something is going on. This internet is so janky today.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sums up the day.
George, is your internet fine, George? Are you having weird stuff over there?
The only thing is I couldn't connect my headset, but that was pretty much it.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
But I have
we got gremlins. This is what happens. Hogue is gone for 1 day, and the gremlins come out. We need Hogue back.
Everything's
Need Hogue back. He was keeping him at bay.
Wonder what would be looking at Delta right now. What is Delta, Emery? I think I saw you in there. What do you got for a cumulative Delta in the ES and the NASDAQ for that matter? About 4.5 minutes till market on close. George joining us. Just showed us this calendar's performance dashboard, and literally last 3 months, not one red day. So very impressive. We'll see if we can keep
Does that ever weigh on you, George? The streaks?
It does.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it does.
It's there. It does, because like I'm trying to be really cautious with it, especially since we're almost at mid-October, and I'm like, all right, I gotta get a green day. So there is a little bit of pressure there. I know it's coming. I just don't know when.
the final day. Do you have a personal loss limit in your account?
Usually like 1,500 on this one.
Okay,
I'll be done. Yeah.
Okay. We'll pour one out for you, George, if it happens.
Yep.
Let us know.
Yeah.
We got a 50. I just came on the ass there. What? 24,933. Half it was filled. On the ES ladder. Let's look at that 600 ladder up at 67.14. 3 minutes till market on close. A doozy on this one.
Till pretty much 50-50. There is just nothing in this dome. 100 up, 100 down. What's the largest I see? 13 contracts, Trey. 18 contracts.
Yeah. It's there's gonna be some slippage. Definitely gonna be some slippage. 100%.
Tomorrow should be good though. Should be back to normal tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Whatever normal means.
Big bank earnings and Powell 11:20 a.m. I do believe there's also some other Fed speakers to be sprinkled in there.
Ooh, Johnson & Johnson has an earnings call tomorrow. That's kind of interesting. A lot of consumer staples in there.
Oh, yeah.
We've got the IMF
In the
chirping
banks.
as well. Yep.
Wait to see what those trading revenues look like for the banks. We got Real John Ross in the chat. Want to short this so bad. Okay. Well, careful.
Micros are for. Scratch that itch, man.
100%. Size trading around in the ES. Last size trading at 66.95. A lot of volume there. George, what's the P&L for the day right now? All right. Good. We'll make sure we'll turn that. Keep the streak alive, George. Yeah.
It's let me see here. It's 512. 512. Yeah.
Okay.
512. That's great. That's still a very, very, very solid day. Are you still
Go ahead.
What do you got, Trey?
How do we want to play this MOC? We got about 90 seconds. We're going to work anything, look for a reaction, buzzer beater, or just going to let it play out here in the last 12 minutes of session. Racing for MOC Waterfall.
I'm more curious, yeah. I'm curious on the close, Trey. I think that's going to be pretty interesting. If we get back down to like the 850s, 800s, somewhere in the middle, that's truly a day that has accomplished a whole lot, and people were not really trying to move price, I would say. Try to keep things status quo. What's a big red bar right there in the 5 minute? Whopping T5 points. Pretty big. So George, in your bio, so are you still coaching soccer?
I am. I'm still doing that.
What age range are you coaching currently?
Under 6.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that has to be.
They just swarm the ball, right?
So, yeah, under 6.
All right, 30 seconds.
How close to herding cats is trying to teach soccer to 5-year-olds?
All right, George, we got the MOC here in 15 seconds, George. Yep, let's get locked in. Let's see. This is going to go ES, NQ, then the YM. Buckle up. One's flat. Excellent.
What do you think? Under a bill or over a bill, Dre?
Buy side bill 1.2. Buy side ES. Buy side 650 mil Nasdaq. Buy side 450 mil Dow. 1.2 bill buy side ES. 600 mil buy side Nasdaq. 450 mil buy side Dow. Anything happen?
No. Not yet. Yeah.
Since I'm watching the 5-minute chart.
Nothing happens unless we're at 880 or 965.
It's gonna break this like this. It's gonna do this. Bah.
The last 10 minutes of the close on Friday, the ES melted 50 handles, 50 points.
I don't think that's happening today.
Wild.
Today.
Does that?
I think it's a good day for the market. Got to digest Friday a little bit. Got the opportunity.
Hang out in this area.
Get to normal tomorrow.
That's when
those numbers can and will change. In about 4 minutes, we'll get another injection of liquidity. Again, 1.1 billion buy side in imbalance in ES. 660 million buy side. Now grew a little bit there. Now close to 800 mil.
So that's
want to see buy side grow a little bit here.
That's what I want to do. It's gonna break that on the 5 minute. But then
everything's green right now. Tesla's doing pretty good, up 4.8%.
Is it really? We'll figure.
Yeah. Nvidia's up 2.6.
From the 1 hour.
Apple's up 1%.
It's still like stuck there on the that black.
That's pretty good.
66.98 half last trade. Yes. Yeah. What's going on crypto? I know silver also new all-time highs. Crypto gets some relief there. They buy back up. I know it's got absolutely smoked.
He broke. Should I enter? I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah. It's green. I mean, but, on the chart, I mean, it looks good
Confirmation.
relatively.
Bigger
I
I
saw
mean,
growing.
Ethereum had a nice bounce. I mean, it was trading all the way down at like 3,400. Now it's back at 4,200. So really nice bounce in Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. They all look pretty much the same.
It
for the most
broke.
part.
Let me see. Let me
Okay.
see. If
Big
it gives me
dips,
like a
big
close-
bounces.
Gives me like a closed candle.
There is. Well, George, I'm not sure we're gonna get another move here. Any prices really?
I want to see if it gives me like a closed
yes.
candle though.
Hey, keep the streak alive. So it is in your head, huh? You do think about it. I guess it's natural too.
I just want to see if it gives me. A
Yeah.
closed
But
Do you still get weird around like the 5th payout day when it comes to like taking profits? Do you get like butterflies when that happens or anything? 'Cause I know some traders they get to like day 4, day 5, and they just start losing it a little bit.
Usually I would like maybe take a. I won't trade like 5 days straight on the account. So
Right.
No, not really.
No pressure. Good.
Yeah.
George, on days where you do not trade, is it predetermined,
Order filled.
or you just woke up on the wrong side? Like what? You look at the calendar going into the week, say I'm not going to trade that day, or how do you determine what days you decide to sit out?
Usually say like on this account, I like to trade like Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays usually. Fridays, I usually don't like to trade Fridays due to the fact that we can always ruin our weekend. So usually
Reversal challenges for.
Or try to go
Exactly
lightly
right.
on a Friday.
Mhm.
I know FOMC minutes is not my best days. Usually I'm always red, so I try to avoid trading that day as well.
Yeah.
Mhm. But I really like. I don't think we have a ton of. Ooh, nice bid here in the Nazi. Let's see if we can get up to those 960s.
Came back to this 904 again.
Ah,
Now we bounced.
buy side growing. Buy side growing now. Over $1 billion buy side Nasdaq. 1.5 billion buy side ES. See what happens here in about 20 seconds. ES did take a peek above 6,700 for a split second. Nasdaq trading 24,943. Buy side continues to grow.
Yeah, George, I love your discipline. I don't think enough traders trade. Let me say this. I don't think enough traders trade 3 days or less a week.
Yeah, I think they try to trade every day.
Yep.
So
Which to some degree is
Also-
okay.
Soon, guys.
If you're still in
Yeah.
like the screen time phase, then yeah, get your screen time. But if you got your screen time, then it's about when do I not trade to make sure I'm keeping things good.
Yep.
It's gonna be a short stream today.
I like that. Fridays, you're up on the week, going into a Friday.
Probably go live later.
Nothing wrong with
Trade.
sitting on your pants. Yeah.
if you're really green on the week, you should just sit out and enjoy your weekend because they
Yes.
can ruin
That's a
it.
good plan.
When tune in
I
to
like
Topstep
that plan.
TV, watch the reversal challenge, the last hour of the trading week. Obviously, you got to do that. So
Don't trade on your
Mhm.
birthday either. Don't trade on your birthday.
don't trade on your birthday. Okay.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, I like that too. Or the day after, for that matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because man, if you lose your account, it's gonna be a really bad birthday. That's all you can think about.
the cake isn't going to taste so good, is it, George?
No,
now I
it's
feel like blowing out those candles.
No, going out to dinner with your girl and you just
No.
can't crack a smile, blew an account.
You're gonna be asking.
That's not a
You're gonna be asking for evals for presents.
We're saying
Hey,
happy birthday
hey.
to you. You don't care. 66.90.
Hey, you got $49.
Yeah, I know. A 2 billion buy side now. 2 billion buy side again. We really have we'll start picking up with some. We got earnings tomorrow. The banks. We also have Powell as well. 11:20 a.m. Central Time. We will be bringing that to you if available here on Topstep TV. You already know. Closing in at 185,000 subscribers. George, please click like. Please click
Nice.
subscribe. Please click the bell. You'd be so kind. So George, this is what day number what on this winning streak?
Shit.
I think like 29.
Done.
Nice.
Like 29 over 3 months. I love that. 29 trading days.
$200.
We had Delesh. No, he made it up to like 95 or 96 or something.
Yeah, that was an all-timer. Absolute monster hot streak.
Low P&L though. It was low P&L, but still. But still, I feel like that's flipping a quarter or something and getting heads 96 times in a row. In the way he was trying to do that. But hey,
should be
almost did it. Almost pulled it off.
What's up, George?
Delesh, it's a legend.
It should count as at least 150, I think.
Minimum. I mean,
yeah,
it was definitely discussed. It was definitely discussed. All right,
it was. Yeah, we got meeting and everything.
We got 2 minutes here till the closing bell. Interesting day to say the least. And we got really get going starting tomorrow. But George, also thank you so much for joining us. Dolby time, no trades. Hey, good discipline, both George and Dolby time. Yeah, megaphone. Continue to megaphone Dolby. Is that how you'd read the day today? Just getting wider and wider and wider.
I mean, that's what it seemed like it played out for the day. I mean, we tried making lower lows twice, made higher highs a couple times. So it's not like the quintessential looking megaphone, but as far as like the definition, it did it. It did higher highs and lower lows. Got everybody all messed up and stopped out. And that's what the market does when it's very slow and the market's waiting for something to happen. This is definitely a day that is waiting.
It definitely was. It felt uneasy, as if something was always right around the corner. Never really got that. Probably could be more to come tomorrow. All right, I pull up the ES ladder here in the last 60 seconds of the trade because look at all that size jumping in there. We saw thousands lots flying in there Thursday. Lots of thousand lots coming in on the close in the ES. Not looking at the NASDAQ just yet, but look at all this size coming in. 30 seconds till the close. And it's still pretty thin on the NASDAQ ladder. George, well done. Keep the streak alive. Just post in the chat how that continues to go as well. Dolby time. We'll see you again tomorrow, but ES.
Always tomorrow, Dre.
No 1,000 lots even coming in today. All right, everyone's just in a bit of a breather digestion mode until we really get the party started tomorrow. That being said, we are going. Oh, what's the above below? We're gonna be below 24,975. We're gonna be way below that. 24,919. George, thank you so much. Dolby time, good stuff. That being said, shout out to all the bell-to-bellers on this Monday. Interesting day, weird day. More to come. We're going to get this thing going tomorrow for the rest of the week. With that being said, I'm going to throw it to my main man, James, Dr. Volatility Harden. Take us out of here and into At the Buzzer.
Absolutely. Thank you, Andre. What a weird day, but we made it. You guys did it. A holiday for some, a wild day in the markets for others. But no matter what, it's been another bell-to-bell day here on Topstep TV. We thank you for watching us, whether you've been here since 7 in the morning or you're just tuning in for At the Buzzer. We know that you have a choice of streams, and we thank you for always tuning in to Topstep TV. But now is the time for you to get ready because At the Buzzer is coming up next. That's with Coach Jay and Coach Paul. They're going to recap the entire day's trading session. They're going to talk about everything that you need to know for that 5 p.m. reopen, so don't miss it. Stay tuned right here. Then later tonight, 7:30 p.m., Coach Dakota is back with Slow Markets.
Yeah, I like to watch.
So you can catch your favorite coach, Coach Dakota, at 7:30 p.m. right here on our YouTube channel. Then tomorrow morning at 1:30 a.m., Aaron Trades is here with London Open. Catch the London Open trading session with Aaron Trades. And then stick around because at 3:30 a.m., Deanna is here with Eurotrade. So 2 of your favorite Euro traders back-to-back in the early wee hours of the morning. Where else would you rather be? And then since you're going to be up, you might as well stick around until we're here again at 7 a.m. and 7:15. We're going to be kicking things off with another day of bell-to-bell extravaganza here on Topstep TV. So continue to kick it with the one stream that brings you tradertainment and education. You know what it is. For now, though, At the Buzzer's up next. I'm James Harden. You're the chat. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday. This has been Topstep TV. Let's go!
I'm gonna lose this damn trade, bro. Fuck. 200, bro. 220 down, bro. That's freaking crazy. Yeah, that's gonna be a loss. Shit. That's gonna be a loss. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be a loss, guys. This one's gonna be a loss. Should I just waited, man? I should have just waited, bro. Should I just wait a little longer before entering? Should I just wait a little longer before entering, guys? Yeah, because we see here, it's going up, but I don't know if it's gonna go up. I don't think it's gonna go up, bro. Cause here on the 1 hour chart shows that it's still going down. It has not retested anything. And then here in the 1 minute, it's making a candle here, but if it's not showing a blue candle on the 1 hour chart, or even on the 50-minute chart, that means it's going to be a bad trade, that is going to go down still. And that is the issue that I have right now. That is the issue I have right now here. So I'm pretty sure I'm about to lose $230, bro. $230 freaking dollars. I'm about to lose $230, guys. If it doesn't go up, I'm about to lose $230 right now. This is bad, bro. This is so bad. This is the reason I was straight. I get so frustrated. What you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do? Char, what you gonna do, Char? I'm about to lose 57%, bro. So 57% is gonna be, if you look here on the dawn on Topstep, 52% is gonna be $470. I'm gonna lose. I can put it up.
The market is closed.
Yep, the market is closed.
Order filled.
Yep, I lost a lot of money today. How much I lost? Yeah, because the market got closed. They closed my account. Shit. How much I lost? Yeah, man. I lost 220, guys. I lost $220. Because the market's closed, they closed my account automatically. So I lost 220, guys. $2 freaking $100. $2 $20, bro. It didn't have my stop loss, but they closed my account automatically. 220. So I'm back to red. I lost a lot of money, bro. That's freaking crazy. So that's it for today. I'm gonna see how much it's gonna be later. But I'm gonna continue. Probably it's gonna go up later. Here, it might go up later. So perhaps I'm gonna come back later and see what's going on here. So I think that's it, guys. I come back probably at 5 again. Probably I come out around 6, probably 6. Let's see. Probably 6, 5 or 6 p.m. Because I know around that time planets start going up again. And but then I make money on 2 in the morning. So yep. So that's it, guys. I lost $200, bro. Oh well. Anyways, guys, peace. See you guys next time. See you in a couple hours. See you later. Peace. Here on HelloOJelloTrading. Here on HelloOJello Studios. Peace, everybody. Peace. Peace out, guys. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. HelloOJelloTrading. See you later.